You're live.
Happy Thursday, Facebook. It's Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo, the creative. Hey, it's Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo, and the Creative Photo Academy. We're Facebook Live today because you know what today is? That's right, it's New Camera Thursday. And you can't wait because we just got in today the new Nikon Z5 mirrorless full frame camera, and this thing is gonna rock. And you know what? We got people waiting for it, but we still have a few cameras available. If you want to come on down, we can get you hooked up today. So let's talk about the Z5. So the Z5, similar body size, a little bit lighter than the Z6, Z7, 4K video, 24 megapixels, awesome camera, great controls, body only $13.99, with the 24 to 50 lens $16.99, and with the much anticipated 24 to 200 lens $21.99. And since we know you're going to be upgrading from your crop sensor camera or your SLR camera to full frame mirrorless, we're offering a $100 bonus on your trade-in. So that's right. So if you were going to get $200 for your trade-in, now you're going to get $300, effectively lowering the price of the Z5 $100 with your trade-in. It's such an awesome deal. Do we have questions, Cheryl? No, we're good? All right, if you guys got questions, Cheryl is answering. But you want to talk about the Z5? Of course you do. You guys want to see it? All right, here we go. Nice box, the right size. So this is the 24 to 50 kit. We open it up. All right, like the way the box is packed. Inside you have the instruction book and warranty cards. Awesome. And then we're going to open the box, and inside we have the Nikon strap. Very cool. USB-C cable. I love the USB-C cable, especially on the Z5, because now you can power the camera and charge the battery with USB-C power. It's awesome. The Nikon MH25A charger, the plug adapter for the charger, and the new ENEL 15C battery. Awesome. So the Z5 body right here, double wrapped with bubble wrap and foamy wrap. So it's foamy, bubbly wrapped. Awesome. So there's the body. You can see, for those of you who are familiar with the Z6 and Z7, it has a very familiar feel. So we have the mode dial on the top. So green auto, program, shutter, aperture, manual, 3 programmable user modes, on and off, ISO, plus minus exposure, video still switch, autofocus on, focus control, the uppy, downy, lefty, righty button, all the same stuff. Similar screen to the Z6 and Z7. Battery on the bottom, and here's where the 2 UHS-2 SD memory cards go. That's right. You asked for 2 memory cards. Nikon put 2 memory cards in it. It's awesome. I'm really excited to shoot with this camera to make still and video pictures. But what I'm really excited to show you, for those of you who've really been looking to lighten your load, this is a secret weapon. That's the new 24 to 50 compact lens. So it's very small, it's lightweight, and the reports I'm reading on this lens, it's super crisp, beautiful picture quality. Look at that. And if I take the lens caps off, it's not even 2 inches thick, and it weighs, I don't know how much it weighs, but it doesn't weigh very much at all. So when you put it on the Z5, it's a great small outfit. It's a great outfit for travel, for close-up, for walking around. It makes amazing stills and videos, 24 megapixels, extremely low light performance, 4K video. Just awesome camera. I'm very excited to make some pictures. So this weekend I'm going to be making pictures with the Z5, testing it out, and I'll report for you on it. We already have, most of our cameras are already gone, but we do have a few bodies left. We have a few of the 24 to 50 lens kits left for you. Any questions, Cheryl? No, everybody's good? Anybody have any questions? Come on, because it's New Camera Day. You guys should be as excited as I am about New Camera Day, because how often do we get a brand new camera here at Paul's Photo and a new Nikon, right? So yesterday we had a new camera from Canon, today a new camera from Nikon. It's just such a great week, guys, and I'm so excited to be here with you, to share this with you, to get you down here, get you taken care of, and we'll make photography fun for you. I promise that. Any questions? All right. Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy, wishing you happy Thursday, happy new camera Thursday, because we got new cameras and we want to make sure that you're rocking the house with a new Nikon Z5 frame mirrorless. This full frame mirrorless rocks. Full frame mirrorless rocks. Have a great day, everyone, and we'll see you tonight for our next edition on Be Creative. And we've got something fun happening Saturday. Don't forget to ask. It'll be fun. It'll be exciting. And yes, you're invited.